Is your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro acting up with one side not working? If the left earbud is significantly louder while the right is much quieter, or one side has gone totally silent, don't panic. We can get them back in sync right now. First, make sure both earbuds have an equal amount of charge. Next, let's dive into the device settings. Open Settings on your connected device. Search with Mono Audio and make sure it's turned off. Next, scroll down to Connected Devices and then make sure the toggle is right at the middle, not too left or too right, so both sides can make equal sound. Also, if you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone, open the Buds settings from Bluetooth. Scroll down to Accessibility, along with making sure that the toggle in here is at the middle as well. If it's still giving you uneven sound, you can refresh the connection by going to the Bluetooth settings and simply unpair them. And then just go ahead, take them into pairing mode, and repair or reconnect it to your device once again. And now, both of your earbuds should be giving you equal sound. Thanks for your time.